You think your dashboards are fine? They're not. Most dashboards are a crime scene. Cluttered graphs, unreadable metrics, and zero actionable insights. They're lying to you, and you don't even know it. But here's the fix. Grafana. It doesn't just visualize data. It turns your metrics into an early warning system that actually works. If you're not using it yet, you're leaving your systems vulnerable. Let's dive into why Grafana is a game changer. Imagine this. You're in charge of a live e-commerce app. Black Friday hits and your system starts crawling. Sales are dropping, customers are bailing, and every second counts. You open your so-called dashboard, but instead of answers, you get a sea of random graphs with no context. One graph shows CPU spikes, another is about some obscure query, but there's no thread tying it all together. Your logs? Useless without correlation. Your alerts? Generic and late. You're practically blindfolded, troubleshooting a system that's on fire. It's chaos, and every minute costs money and reputation. Now imagine a world where you could have seen this coming. A single dashboard that correlated CPU usage, query performance, and customer traffic spikes, alerting you before a disaster struck. That's what Grafana delivers. It's the tool you wish you had 5 outages ago. Let's cut to the chase. Grafana isn't just another charting tool. It's an observability powerhouse. At its core, it connects all your metrics and logs into one unified experience. Whether using Prometheus, InfluxDB, Elasticsearch, or a mix of all three, Grafana brings them together. Step 1. Queries made easy. Grafana's query editor simplifies building metrics. Say you want to track API response times. Here's a quick example from Prometheus data source. That single query gives you a time series graph of response rates over the past minute. Add a second query for 500 status codes and bam! You've got actionable insights about success versus failure. Step 2. Visualizations that work for you. Grafana's visualizations aren't just pretty, they're functional. Use heat maps to catch latency trends or bar charts for error distribution. For instance, here's how a panel might look monitoring memory usage. You get instant clarity. No more hunting for insights in a jungle of irrelevant data. Step 3. Alerts you can actually trust. Alerts in Grafana aren't generic. They're surgical. Integrate with Slack, PagerDuty, or even a custom webhook. Let's say your database query latency exceeds 200 milliseconds for 5 consecutive minutes. A Grafana alert can send this directly to your incident channel, complete with a link to the affected dashboard. Here's where things get really interesting. Customization. With Grafana's variables and templating, you can create dynamic dashboards that scale with your environment. Imagine you're monitoring a Kubernetes cluster. Instead of manually creating dashboards for each namespace, you can use variables. This lets you toggle between namespaces with a simple dropdown. One dashboard, multiple contexts. Advanced move. Logs and metrics together. Ever heard of Loki? It's Grafana's log integration tool. Loki doesn't treat log as second-class citizens. It correlates them with your metrics. Let's say you spot a spike in API errors. Instead of switching tools to investigate, you overlay logs directly on your error chart. Here's an example Loki query. When combined with metrics, this setup tells a complete story. Not just what went wrong, but why.